Did you hear that loud boom in Southern California? On Saturday evening, residents were startled by a sonic boom. This occurred after a SpaceX rocket re-entered the atmosphere. This sonic boom wasn't random. It was announced earlier by SpaceX. The company shared on X that its Dragon vessel was set to splash down off the California coast around 10:44 p.m. The Dragon spacecraft had undocked from the International Space Station earlier that day. Loaded with 6,700 pounds of crew supplies and scientific investigations, it was returning home. It launched from NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida on April 23rd and arrived at the space station on April 22nd. Many residents near Vandenberg Space Force Base in Santa Barbara County are familiar with these sonic booms. Officials from both the U.S. Space Force and SpaceX have acknowledged them as a common occurrence. But what does this mean for locals? Unfortunately, it looks like the sonic booms won't decrease anytime soon. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk announced plans to launch over 90 rockets from Vandenberg by 2026. Requests from residents to reduce noise have been denied by military officials. SpaceX itself is a privately owned company. They focus on designing, manufacturing, and launching rockets and spacecraft. Recently, they experienced two high-profile failures. In January, a Starship rocket failed shortly after launch in Texas. Just 2 months later, another rocket exploded after takeoff from the same facility. This grounded flights and raised concerns about debris falling from the sky. In summary, the sonic booms in Southern California mean more activity from SpaceX in the near future. While these sounds can be startling, they are part of a bigger picture in aerospace innovation. Want to stay updated on the latest in rocket launches? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos.